Hey, welcome to Clark's Place. Today, just going to run through real quick something that came up on my F-150. It's a 2016 King Ranch. Bought it new. Lots of regular options that come on the King Ranch. One of them is the rear sliding window, which I can't really see it too well here in this video. But what happened, and I don't know if anybody's had this problem before, and this top brace, or not brace, it's like just a channel that runs all the way across the top of the window. Well, the sliding window rides in that, and kind of like a shower door, the old shower doors. Well, I noticed in my rear view mirror that it was like a wobbling effect of what I was seeing, and I didn't know what it was from. And then Chris, my son, he noticed. He said, "Looks like your glass back there is loose." So I checked it out. Sure enough, it was loose at the top. So for the time being, we just took a rag and stuffed it, and it kept it, because kept it tight. It was leaking air, and you could hear like the highway noise, because it was like a window was down partially. So got into it. This has like 4 or 5 places, like 1 inch here, I mean, all the way across, double-sided foam tape that held this up there. Well, it was so loose. The whole thing was just loose. I took it out, pulled the whole trough off, and then I mixed up some, I guess it's the, well, I still got it here somewhere. Anyway, it's a 2-part epoxy, JB Weld, that's what it was, and wiped it on the back side of the trough. And I also thought I need more than that, because there wasn't very much of it. So I got some liquid nails, which I think you could use any type of really nice epoxy, and really coated the back of it, pushed it on there, and I think you can see there's still some showing right there. But I couldn't stand here and hold it the whole time, so I used these sticks, and you can get up behind it and then pull it around, and it flexed and held it. Same thing here, is it put pressure on it, which was perfect. So I just lined it up. I did that yesterday afternoon, so I'm gonna leave it till tonight. But I think it's gonna be fine, because I think that little spot there is dry. But hopefully that'll take care of the air leakage and the rattling and everything. Of course, it's got a topper on the back, so there's no reason to really ever open the window. But you can't have the air leaking. Water could get in there going down the highway. So I don't know if anybody else has experienced that, but that was a fix I found. I'm sure there's a lot of other products that you could use to glue that back in place. And but the sticks, these are paint stir sticks. I mean, you could probably get them anywhere, but that worked perfectly. So just a quick video in case somebody else has had a problem with that back window, I guess, coming loose. So that should do it for the video. Again, hopefully it'll help somebody in the future. I should have probably checked the video to see why does my mirror seem like it's wiggling, but it's not. It was just the illusion, because that back window flexing, I mean, it was coming all the way across the top. It was loose. So if you experience that and don't know what it's from, that's it. Quick fix. Only took about, I don't know, an hour to fix it. But anyway, hope this helps, and see you next time. Bye-bye.